Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of waiting forever for your big oven to preheat just to toast some bread or bake a quick pizza, then get excited because today we're talking about a kitchen game changer. I'm talking about the Breville Smart Oven Compact convection. This sleek little powerhouse is perfect for small spaces but packs a serious cooking punch. You can grab it right now on Amazon using the link in the description, and trust me, it's going to make your meal prep so much easier. Let's dive in and see why this oven is heating up countertops everywhere. First, let's break down the features that make the Breville Smart Oven Compact stand out. This isn't your basic toaster oven. It's got the Element IQ system with 4 quartz heating elements that smartly distribute heat exactly where it's needed for even cooking every time. It runs on 1800 watts of power, so it preheats super fast. We're talking minutes, not ages like your wall oven. The built-in convection fan circulates hot air to speed up cooking and give you that crispy finish on everything from roasts to cookies. It's got 8 preset cooking functions to make things effortless: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, and reheat. The backlit LCD screen is easy to read. It calculates the right time and temp for you, glows orange while heating, and switches to blue when done. Size-wise, it's compact at about 15 inches wide by 17 deep by 10 high, fitting perfectly on your counter without hogging space. But don't let the size fool you. It handles 4 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, or even a whole roast chicken. Build quality is premium with brushed stainless steel that looks sharp and wipes clean easily. It comes with a 10x10 enamel baking pan and broiling rack, so you're ready to go out of the box. Setup is a breeze. Just plug it in, no complicated assembly. Priced around $270, it's a solid value for the tech you get. Now, pros and cons, time to keep it honest. Pros are huge. The fast preheat saves so much time. Convection gives even results without hotspots, and those smart functions make it idiot-proof for beginners, while pros love the control. It's versatile: toast in the morning, roast veggies for lunch, bake cookies for dessert, all in one spot. The compact design is ideal for apartments or RVs, and users say it replaces their big oven for most tasks, saving energy too. But no oven's flawless. The main con is the size. If you're cooking for a big crowd, it might feel cramped beyond that 12-inch pizza. Some folks mention the fan is a bit noisy, and while durable, a few report error codes after heavy use, though Breville's warranty covers that. It's not the cheapest option out there, so if you're on a tight budget, look elsewhere. But overall, the pros outweigh the cons for everyday cooking. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely snag the Breville Smart Oven Compact if you want quick, reliable cooking in a small package. The pros like speed, smarts, and versatility make perfect sense for busy families, small kitchens, or anyone ditching microwave meals. It's not just an oven, it's your new kitchen sidekick for tastier, easier days. Before we end, if you dig these reviews, hit subscribe for more kitchen gear tips. And click that affiliate link in the description. It helps the channel and scores you the best deal. Finally, remember to use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.